In this episode of Lot 76 Cars, I'm going to be showing you all a cheap and easy fix for improving the baggy magazine pockets on this particular car. I've chosen in this instance to remove the seats. First of all, putting the seat in the highest position enables you to access the two 10mm bolts at the rear of the seat, thus making it much easier to remove it. There are also two 10mm bolts near the front of the seat, and these are hidden by two plastic covers. Take care to push the seat back as far as it will go to expose the plastic covers, and then gently, and I mean very gently, lever those covers from behind and they will just pop off. In this instance you can see it's exposed the seat, and you can see how the rear seat back is slid into position and held with two Phillips screws. Taking the cover, you can see the frame is held at the top, and this is where the elastic has gone. Turning the frame over, it's just a question of removing the frame using a Phillips screwdriver to remove all of those screws and washers. Once all the screws and washers are removed, at this point you can turn the frame over and actually remove it complete. Turning it over to the rear side shows how it's very easy to remove the old elasticated cord, and this is basically what gives the seat net pocket its tension. Unfortunately in this case not very effective anymore. It's relatively easy to pull the old cord out, although I'm making a bit of a meal of it in this particular clip, and remove it from the seat net and discard it. The special clips used on this cord don't appear to be available, but we don't really need them, as we'll see later on in the video. This is the new cord that was purchased from a well-known auction site, very cheap, and probably just about £2 a metre. And this is how I've chosen to fasten the new cord with a knot. Pushing it back into the frame, I actually apply some tension to it, and then exactly the same on the other side, locking it into place. It's now simply a case of doing everything in reverse to put the frame back together and then return the frame back to the seat. In this instance the seat upside down, which allows me to put some pressure to firmly push the back panel into place. The back panel is held at the bottom with two self-tapping Phillips type screws, and it does enable you to put them under tension to get a good fit when you're putting it back together. And here's the finished mat pockets in the back of the car, and I hope you'll agree that it's quite a transformation from the baggy ones we started with. A very cheap, easy fix, and does enable you to improve the look of your vehicle. Hope you found this episode of Lot 76 Cars to be interesting. Please like, share, subscribe and check out some other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching.